lalela umfowethu yabona umsebenzi we-opposition party is to oppose izinto ze-governing party. You understand? Yes, lapha we did oppose with the numbers that we had kwi-parliament. We opposed the increase of VAT with the numbers that we had parliament, despite ukungabi happy ngama party akhona lapha parliament, given the fact that we are the most hated political party lapha parliament. You understand? Kodwa we opposed to the increase of VAT. And umsebenzi opposition party ngisho ukuthi uyawazi now is to oppose anything that was tabulated by the governing party. Now, in this instance, abantu, they are not blaming EMK for not opposing. They are blaming EMK ngokuthi EMK bekufanele ukuthi ibe nabantu abaphelele eparliament ukuze amavoti abe enough ukuze igcine ingaphasanga lento le VAT increase. You understand? They are not blaming us for ukuthi we opposed. They know ukuthi we opposed with the numbers that we had. But the thing is, the numbers that we had were not enough. Ngichazeleke manje. Uyabo? So, abantu, they are blaming us ukuthi sibakhostile because eparliament bebezokwazi ukuthi igcine ingaphasanga. Angasho ukuthi abantu EFF, because EFF engidila nayo ku manje ku Facebook. EFF ithi sikhostile ngenxa yokuthi we didn't have enough numbers and those numbers were going to make a difference. Uyayibona lonto? Ours was to oppose no matter ukuthi ama number bengakanani, because at the end of the day that thing had nothing to do with us. Yabo? It had nothing to do with us. Mina into engisho ngithi ngihappy ngento eyenzakalayo. Uyabo? Abantu who voted for ANC, they are getting exactly into abayifunayo. Thina as the opposition, we can't always be happy as the opposition. Cha. Siyofuna number 1 ukuze sinikhombise ukuthi ukuphatha into enjani. Uyabo? So ke asingafuneki ngalesikhathi kufanele ukuoppose ama-VAT. And yet mawusuya kwi-ballot uyazi ukuthi kufanele uvotele u-ANC wakho. Hayi, musani ukuganga ngathi guys. Musanhlobo nje ukuganga ngathi. Nina mase niya kuma-ballot nivotela i-ANC yeni. Iyona leni ivotelile eno 40%. Iyona leni nikeza i-increase, i-increment of i-VAT by 0.5%, of which na next year zikhala the same way. Yabo? So ke musana ubuya nize kuthina nizothi thina hayi bekufanele this bekufanele that. Into bekufanele yenzeke ukuthi ANC iyeke uku-increase u-0.5%. Yilokho engabe niyakusho. Hayi blame thina. Sihlangana aphi thina nokuthi i-ANC ithe ifuna ukunyusela i-VAT. I-ANC esho lokho. Thina ezomkhonto wesizwe asikaze sesikusho lokho. Siphikisene nakho ngeinamba esinazo eparliament. Because vele we chose, even if bekukhona umuntu oyedwa, but the fact is siphikisene nayo. So ke musana ukusiblame ukuthi hayi bebengekho enough. Hayibo sesizwa ngani manje ukuthi asirane kanjani iparliament. Nibe nasho nathi asiyona i-opposition party. Sasiyi-opposition party manje asesona istokfela. Hayi cha niyakwazi ukuchopha and change amagama, and whenever esuitha nina nikwazi ukwasebenzisa ngalesikhathi ensuit. Awuzibuke nje kwi-profile yakho ukuthi awukaze uzokhuluma ukuthi into kaZuma istokfela. Namhlanje njengoba usuyibiza nge-opposition party nje.